What do free motion quilted feathers and Lone Star quilts have in common? Well, they're both patterns that almost every quilter has a part of their quilting journey. And they are two classes in Quiltfest Virtual Summer Schoolhouse. Hello, this is Geraldine Wilkins, the Living Water Quilter, and welcome to my sewing and quilting studio. I'm teaching two classes at Quiltfest Virtual Summer Schoolhouse. The first class is all about feathers. The second class is all about the Lone Star. Perhaps we're meeting for the first time. I love to help quilters excel in free motion quilting and acrylic ruler quilting. And I've had the pleasure of teaching at national quilting events, quilt guilds, quilting retreats, and quilting cruises. At these venues, it's my opportunity to share with quilters my passion for free motion quilting and acrylic ruler quilting. Both of these techniques we can use to create beautiful surface texture. I love to help ladies learn the technique and then learn how to transfer those techniques into real quilt projects, art quilts, baby quilts, bed quilts. I want to share with you my tips, tricks, and techniques. I'm also a pattern designer and an online course creator. Are you ready to stitch feathers? I can't wait to share with you my tips and techniques for stitching feathers. We're going to learn several techniques and different styles of feathers. The first thing we're going to do is focus on the feather plume. We're going to practice stitching the plume. Once we learn how to shape our feather plume, we're going to learn how we can use it as an edge-to-edge design. Then we're going to practice full feather clusters, beautiful feather clusters, and we're going to learn different techniques for changing and combining the different size plumes to create a very unique look. And we're going to then put that in our quilt. Do you want to stitch a Lone Star without frustration and hassles? No Y seams, no diamonds? Well, I want to show you how. In my pattern, I share with you tips and tricks on how not to cut a whole bunch of diamonds or stitch Y seams. With those pattern techniques, you'll be able to quickly stitch the half Lone Star for class. Then we're going to learn a couple of free motion quilting designs, patterns that I've used in my half Lone Stars that I can't wait to share with you. In those examples, I'm going to show you how you can transfer those designs that we learn in class into your half Lone Star. I can't wait to meet you at Quiltfest Virtual Summer Schoolhouse. All you have to do is go to quiltfest.com, look for Geraldine Wilkins under Virtual Summer Schoolhouse, and there you will see both classes, Feathered Rainbow and the Lone Star. I'll see you soon.